Hello, beautiful viewers, and welcome back to the Introvert's Guidebook, where we support shy individuals and those with social anxiety in conquering everyday tasks. Today's video is all about getting an oil change, step by step, at an auto service center. We'll walk you through what to do, how to do it, and what to expect during the process. So, let's dive in and learn how to handle this essential car maintenance task with ease. The first step is to schedule an appointment at your preferred auto service center. Give them a call or use their online booking system. Scheduling in advance can help reduce any potential waiting time. Before heading to the service center, gather essential information about your car, such as the make, model, year, and current mileage. This information will assist the mechanics in identifying the correct oil type for your vehicle. When you arrive at the service center, park your car in the designated area and head to the reception desk. Greet the staff with a smile and let them know you have an appointment for an oil change. If you're feeling anxious, it's okay to mention that you're a bit nervous. The staff is used to assisting customers with various needs and will do their best to make you feel comfortable. The staff will confirm the oil change service and may ask you some standard questions about your vehicle to ensure they have the correct details. Once you've checked in, you'll likely be directed to a waiting area. Most service centers offer amenities such as free Wi-Fi, coffee, and magazines to help pass the time. While your car is being serviced, trust that the professionals know what they're doing. Oil changes are routine for them, and they will take good care of your vehicle. When your oil change is complete, a staff member will inform you and provide details about any additional recommendations or services they noticed during the inspection. Head back to the reception desk to make your payment. If you have any feedback or questions about the service, feel free to share them politely. Finally, depart the service center with the confidence that you successfully handled your oil change. Pat yourself on the back for conquering this task. Congratulations on completing your oil change. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you navigate the process with ease. Remember, it's normal to feel a bit nervous, but taking care of your car is an essential part of being a responsible vehicle owner. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content on managing everyday tasks with confidence. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.